this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing a white top, a simple shirt, white shirt top, and this is from Geo, and then my shirts are from khaki shirts are from Gap, and then I'm wearing an Old Navy sandals, and of course I'm always wearing my favorite bag. So yeah, this is my outfit of the day. So this is where again you were in awkward position where you're sitting again in that priority seat. Wow. This is my favorite. What is this called?
Salmon.
Yeah,
Salmon
obvious
kwan.
ba? It's salmon. It's like sushi something like that. This is not onigiri, right? Because onigiri has that giri. That's seafood. Seafood.
That's that giri thing.
Seaweed.
Ay,
That's
bakante.
Okay, let's go. This is a perfect pair. This, I don't know what this is. This rice and salmon on top of it. And the taste of this is a little sour. And with my coffee. I always have my coffee. It says an organic. This is an organic one, and I'm gonna eat it together. Not eat it. I'm gonna drink it together with this. I don't know what's this, but this is my favorite. Hi guys, I am at Comeda's Coffee right now. So we're eating lunch at this moment, and we decided that we were just gonna have some sandwiches, and I'm gonna have this one. I'm gonna be having this one. It looks so delicious. So it's already, I guess summer is already approaching, so fun drinks are out, and I'm so excited about fun drinks because I love actually fun drinks. So yeah, I'll see you later. We'll just eat lunch for now, and maybe I'm gonna show you what are we gonna having. So I'll see you in a minute, guys. So our drinks just arrived, and look how cute this orange juice is. See how pretty this is? And this is my drink, which is definitely looking so yummy. I'm excited to drink this. Do you see that? Oh my god, I love summer. You love summer? Yeah, because you can drink a lot of cold drinks. Oh my god, I cannot get over this because it's so pretty. Oh, what a pretty orange juice. This is our lunch. What's yours? What's that called? Fish burger. We are going to share this mixed sandwich, and he's gonna have fish and a salad. So let's eat. This is a freaking good sandwich. Oh, is she? That's good. I think they're trying to mimic having earthquake, right? Why are they trying to mimic earthquake when there's always earthquake? I don't think we need to mimic earthquake again and again. Do you wanna experience earthquake?
We had a boat, not as long.
Beside me, earthquake in a van. That is earthquake. We always have earthquake every night, right? So why do you need to do that to experience earthquake?
I don't know.
I want to experience earthquake, but a different kind of earthquake.
Our earthquake.
Agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Do you agree with me? That kind of earthquake.
Happy.
going inside the Apple store. They sell, I think they sell apples
Yeah.
at Apple store. What do you think? Bawal? Dami dayo. Dami.
Sira.
So I'm inside Apple store. I don't know. I'm just looking around. Just looking around because yeah, for iPads. iPads. I watch. Wait, I watch. Let's try. And you can. I think this. You can use this as like your phone. You can do messaging on it. iWatch. So you won't be needing your phone anymore because
You won't be needing
you'll
your
be using your iWatch. Oh my god. You have iPhone, Apple Watch. That's crazy. Apple Watch. You have a phone inside your watch. I like this one. That one. That looks good. iWatch. This is iWatch. Oh my god, this is so cool. How do you do this?
Limang.
This one?
Diyan katungkuan ang mga roksing ang daan.
iWatch. You can do it. You can do this as your watch, or you can make it your phone in a watch. Oh my god. Apple Watch. Oh, it's already afternoon. It's 5:30 and the sun is still so bright. Oh, our car is there, not there. Oh my god, it's pretty. Home, sweet home. Yeah. The monkey is eating a banana. Monkey. Kupuya eh.
Kapoy eh.
So we're home now and I'm so tired.
Kapoy eh. Pagsuno rin mo.
I wanna sleep already.
Hindi ka gulit sa nawak.
Whoa! Sure. So,
Balik ng ko.
no more rice. Rice.
Gaya ng host, no?
Yeah. Ana si Kuan, si Grace na siya baligya. 10 kilos ni Sing ba to?
Diba?
Grace ba? Tata, gamay. Grace.
Grace tata gamay.
Grace, good. Misunam.
Missing ba?
Oh,
Sirado?
misinggo.
Ha?
Misinggo ba to, man? Insya nga, nindot ko no kaayo.
No?
Yeah, she said. Waya na to. Tingnan na ko ya. Anising ba to? Sa ambuti tanaw na ko walik. Do you like my eyeglass? No, message sa Facebook. Wang.